Is Singularity Net on the verge of a huge dump? We're going to talk about this in today's update, so please do stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment and share, and enjoy this video update. So we are seeing that price is hovering around the 0.5 Fibonacci after meeting this double top patterns target after the break of the neckline, confirmation of resistance using that 20 moving average, getting those wick rejections with wicks to the top, it wants to drop, and then losing the 55 support, as well as a new neckline out of this shoulder, head and shoulders pattern, and finally meeting that M patterns target. But now, as we had to meet this by breaking a new neckline, you've got further targets to the downside. However, after meeting this target right over here, you've potentially got some bullish divergences at play that could be bringing you pumps. But understand, even if it does pump, we are still beneath the shoulder over here, which is considered to be a support and a resistance. So even if we do get maybe a double bottom pump into that 382, we can see to the left it was resistance and support, as well as this newly formed 5-day bearish cross, something that you cannot ignore. If we saw this on the daily time frame, wow, it's a great signal to get some longs for a bullish for a bullish cross. And if it's for a short, for a bearish cross, this would be great opportunities for short on the daily time frame. Now, if we see it on the 5-day time frame, look, a bullish cross formed and price completely skyrocketed. So this is something that we cannot ignore. And in fact, we do have targets to the downside. So even if we do pump up into this resistance, it's looking likely that you eventually continue to the targets. Now, the only way to invalidate these targets to the downside is by breaking past the 382, holding it as support, and then we can see the next area to tackle is pretty much, as we extend this uptrending line over here, that 236. So we need a reclaim of 33.77 cents for us to flip Agix or Singularity Net bullish again. So please do understand, even if we do see these divergences, let's look for some now, guys. I hope you are enjoying this video update. Let me know if you are finding value, or if you want me to teach you so you can read the chart with ease as you're seeing right now. Just send me a message through the links in the description of this video. It will take you to my Twitter, and this is where you can private message me for 25% discount for the next 3 people that take action on the one-to-one mentorship plan. That will include 5 to 10 hours of one-to-one help, as well as getting 3 months free in my chat that will have all my future investments, as well as 2 weekly group calls so I can mentor you all as a group together. If you will also get my 6-hour long course for free, so you can fall back on and get into that before we actually start those 5 to 10 hours of sessions. So looking at AGIX over here, we've got potential double bottom, so this would be your neckline, but we're looking for divergences. So we do see very slight lower lows over here. From this point, we're looking for higher lows. So where'd that dot appear? So we got the higher lows over here, while we're getting very, very slight lower lows. So we do have a disagreement in the chart. So this is basically considered bullish divergence, and from that divergence, we have seen price come up to key levels of resistance. That would be the golden pocket over here. Can you see that? So this is where we are getting rejected right now. What I then want to look at is where could we be finding support. So that is where we are currently right now, right there. So I'm going to scale down to even lower time frames to look for some bullish divergences from this point over here. What I need to see is on the chart, we've got these lower lows, but on the indicator, I need to see higher lows. So we haven't got that. Can you see this is also lower lows? So I need to keep going on different time frames. So what can we see over here? So it's a little bit different on the 1 hour. Now you've got these higher lows, so we want to see lower lows. So no, we've got higher lows over here. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So we got the higher lows over here. We want to be looking for a low lower than this. So there's no divergences as that I'm currently seeing, unless I'm missing something. But no, as of now, I'm not seeing divergences in this area over here for potential bounce on AGIX. So basically what it's pretty much saying is that we are trapped in this downtrend, and if we do want to go up and pump up to the 382 Fibonacci over here, we'd need a significant break above the 55. So basically just saying that we need to get up to the 382. Let's just make it easier and say we need a break on the daily time frame of this neckline of this double bottom here at 197. So 197 cents, so 19.7 cent is the level that we need to break bullish above for continuation to the 200 EMA. But please do understand, we are in a downtrend downtrend, we are eventually, even if it does pump, looking for continuation lower. Even though this is a bullish pattern, you can see that we've started this downtrend from this high point over here. So these bullish patterns may work in the short term, so you might come up a little bit, meet the target, but after that point, it's going to continue with the dump. In fact, as we're on a downtrend, it may not even work at all. And this is where we fail to even come up to the neckline and break above it, and we just do continue lower. So this would be my expectation anyway. My expectation is we just do continue dumping from here, but even if it pumps, it will fail at the 382 at 22 cent. So even if it pumps right now from 17.6 cent to 22 cent, it's going to be a failure. So even if we do get this nice potential 25% pump, it will eventually dump, and we're looking for, from that point, a 50% dump off. But from today's price, maybe even a 36% dump coming up for AGIX in the coming up days. So please do like, subscribe, comment. Hope you found some value. Let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to teach you how to read the charts just like I do, become a self-sufficient trader, I'm going to give you the exact entry and exit points, what you need to look for. So how to set your take profit, how to set your stop loss, entries and exits, and everything you need to become a self-sufficient trader, starting from completely zero knowledge, or you can already be advanced. I'd recommend doing the one-to-one mentorship. So message me for the 25% discount for those next 3 people. Otherwise, just head over straight to the website, links in the description of this video, and you can just take action on whether that's the course or just joining the chat. Otherwise, if you want to do the mentorship plan where it's one-to-one between me and you, then message me on twitter.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.